Hello, my little fancy YouTubers. Welcome back to the Red One TV. I am back with another wig review slash tutorial. Today, I decided to go back to my little old roots with the half wigs and stuff like that. But this time, it's not just a half wig. It's the converti cap. And I got Wavy Baby. Yeah, boy. I have her in the color too. I got this one because I always wanted to do, I love the deep wave style very, very much. And I really wanted to do this style. I always wear it up in this style. But it seemed like, you know, with the regular half wigs, you just couldn't really get that style because you weren't too sure if, you know, it was gonna hold tight enough, or you know, just got too nappy, and then you'd see the lines all the time, like, you know, all of that. So this is giving me the half wig vibes that, you know, I used to have, and I used to like really be good. No, I still am really good with the half wig, but I wanted to try this, and I also interested in trying to figure out how to do all these other little neat styles that they come up with. So they give you this here as to like what it looks like. You know, this is really pretty, just a little swoop bang with the ponytail. And the thing with this, you can comb your hair back, that's fine, but I don't really know how to use the flexi rods that well to get the wavy pattern. So that's why I never really bought a wavy, a deep wave pattern wig, because I didn't know how to use the flexi rods when I had the half wig trying to, you know, blend it in very well. So they give you this like little pamphlet. It shows you all the other converti caps that they have. This wig came from hairstyles.com. It was about 17 bucks when I bought it. It comes with one big comb at the top, two combs on the side to secure it, and another comb here at the bottom, and our best friend right here at the drawstring. So I'm gonna give this a shot, just to see how I can really finesse this style that I've been really dreaming about for years. It's kind of like a dream hairstyle for me. The texture of it is like really, really soft. If you guys remember the Outre Converti wig, that was this same pattern. It has the same texture feel to it too. So I'm really excited. It looks a little bit longer, but I'm really excited to try her out. So what I got here today, well, what I did, I went on ahead and parted my hair from ear to ear, just a big old part, you know, kind of toward the back from ear to ear. Also, I did two little plaits in the back. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a weave neck cap so my hair can breathe. Again, just like how I used to do, you know, with regular half wigs, because I just need to let my hair breathe. You know, I like to oil my scalp, like to let my scalp breathe. So this is the reason why I always use these. Also, I think I'm just gonna slick my hair back instead of gel, because I hate gel. I hate gel so much. I only use it when it's like super duper necessary, when I'm putting my hair in a ponytail. But this time, I'm just gonna use some good old Mary Superior hair dressing pomade. This is like old school, y'all. This has been around since your great grandparents were alive. So this is some good stuff. Just gonna get a little water, slick it back. Also gonna use my edge control, my little boo right here. I told y'all before in my last video that you can get this from chocolatehair.com. This is the bomb, y'all. It's the bomb. I love this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my head. Okay, so not too shabby. I like it. Giving me some, I don't know, some going out vacation vibes. Like, I like it. One thing I can definitely say about this wig is like super soft, and it is prone to get nappy at some point if you keep it in your head and don't brush it every now and then. So you're just gonna have to watch it, you know, every now and then. Just gonna have to watch it. Oh, I'm gonna put my little edge control in too, and a little shine on here. So I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm back and I'm better. All right. So one thing I would definitely say, like, you could work up the style like this. I don't really know how it looks in the back just yet, and I will take a look at it. It is something that I could definitely keep playing with more often, to see like what else I could like come about. But this is one I particularly wanted to wear for the weekend. So, but yeah, back to this wig. It is definitely prone to get nappy. First of all, synthetic, so what do you expect? Definitely keep it combed. If it tangles up on you, I suggest maybe getting like a big tooth comb, or if you want to brush it, y'all need to really invest in one of these. You don't even, I see a lot of people selling this online. You could go to your local beauty supply. They have these in stock. I think they're probably like $5. So this is one I keep for my real hair, and I know I don't have like naturally curly hair, but when I get perms and things like that, and when it's time for a touch-up, before I actually get the touch-up, my roots are like really, really hard, and this helps detangle it. So I keep one for my real hair because obviously it's a lot of it's greasy, and this is one that I keep just for the synthetic wig. So there's not gonna be like any grease in my wigs or anything like that. So I just keep this on hand when I have a curly wig such as this, and I need to like brush it out, and it just, you know, it swims through it like butter, you guys. Like, this is the bomb. Y'all need to get y'all one of these. But this wig is very, very pretty. It's fluffy. I like it. I really like it a lot. Also, the security of the wig, it's pretty secure. And I know I pretty much have it secure now because I have it blended in with my real hair at the top, you know, tied up in a rubber band. So without the drawstring, without the two combs on the side, it would be an epic fail. You wouldn't even be able to keep this up, even if you had it up in this style that I have right now. This would like literally flap off. So this is pretty secure. I mess with it. But this is really nice. So bravo to Outre on this one. I've been dying to look for a wig like this with this curl pattern, with this deep wave curl pattern. It's very pretty. I love it. It's like my favorite. So they have like really came through for me and answered my prayers on this. So that is all, folks. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, and subscribe to my page, to this channel, to this video. Just let me know what you guys think. What else do you want to see too, you know? I am open for questions, comments, all of that. So y'all let me know what y'all think of this unit, y'all. It's so pretty. All right, y'all. See y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.